fractal conversations. Fractals are pretty cool from an aesthetic standpoint, from a mathematical standpoint. The most famous is called the Mandelbrot set. It's based on an imaginary number, I, or the square root of -1. Represented graphically, it's pretty cool. There are plenty of videos online. They zoom in over and over and over. And as they zoom in, you keep seeing the same thing over and over and over. A much more simpler one is to keep putting triangles on top of triangles. A triangle has 3 points, but in between each point you can put another triangle half the size as the big one. Eventually, as you keep putting on triangles, it starts to look like a circle. But as you zoom in, you'll keep seeing the same things. A triangle with a triangle on each side, and then a triangle on each side of the smaller triangle. For me, one of the coolest things about fractals is that the length of the sides are infinite, but the volume is finite. One reason people study these things is they are a perfected form of nature. Think of a tree. A tree starts with a big trunk, then it branches off into branches. But each branch has smaller branches and then leaves, and each leaf has a large vein going down the center, and each one of those branches off. Just like our cardiovascular system, the blood from the body comes in through a vena cava, then it goes out through the pulmonary artery, but as it goes out it keeps branching smaller and smaller until it's down to the capillary size, only wide enough for a single blood cell. A lot of things are like this. Once you see one, you start seeing the structure everywhere, like conversations between two humans. The basic structure is simple. Break the ice, vibe, and keep going. The first breaking of the ice is the first word, but you can see all the subsequent breaks of the ice into deeper and deeper topics. You introduce a new topic and vibe on that topic. You break off into deeper and different topics and then vibe on those topics. And just like the Mandelbrot set or infinite triangles, you can keep going forever, going deeper and deeper, making stronger and stronger connections, creating deeper and deeper attraction. Some people are pretty good at this as naturals. They can open and vibe with pretty much anybody. Just like trees and triangles and hearts, this does have a structure you can learn, practice, and keep getting better at. To learn more, visit mindpersuasion.com/live-training.